So this week's puzzler is a 59 plate Honda Accord. Customer complaint was that after driving for about 10 minutes he felt that the inside the cab was full of fumes, stinging his eyes. Now we had took it to 3 other garages who failed to diagnose it. I don't know what equipment they was trying to do the job with. If they would have had a smoke machine, I think they'd have found it too. So the first job was to take all the under trays off, check for any obvious exhaust leak, nothing visible. I then proceeded to take covers off, heat shields here, for around the top of the DPF and exhaust manifold. Still couldn't find any obvious sign of any leak. I then decided to do the smoke test first through the intake, just in case he had any boost pipes that was perhaps leaking. Everything shown up good. So my next job I wanted to do was go to the other side of the system, took the sensor out of the exhaust there, stuck my probe in and just sealed it up the best I could with some tissue, and powered up the Smoke Pro. So as you can see, I've now powered it up, and is where that's actually leaking from is the flexi pipe on the EGR down the back. As you can see, without the Smoke Pro would have never have found that leak. So it's just a case of taking it off, renewing the pipe and gaskets, and we should be good to go.